Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in last video we have seen something called as wrapper classes. There are 8 wrapper classes which is there, okay, which provides us a object representation of the primitive data types. Now in this video we are going to see a very important concept in terms of algorithms or in terms of collection frameworks, and that is nothing but your auto boxing and auto unboxing. So basically, what is autoboxing and what is unboxing? We have seen that in primitives, what happens? If I want sometimes a particular primitive value to be passed to the object, then I have to make use of wrapper classes. In wrapper classes, I have to explicitly have to write the code for conversion of these primitives into the object and object to primitives, vice versa, right? For boxing and unboxing. Now, what if, see, basically whenever I'm doing something explicitly, forcefully, basically, then every time I have to take care of these conversions. Otherwise what will happen, you will be getting class cast exceptions, okay? And to avoid it, to simplify my task, Java has given you a feature of auto boxing and auto unboxing. So many algorithms which is there in Java, or many data structures which is there in Java, which is having some TDS calculations, some expressions. So every time whenever you are doing that, then you have to take care of conversion, database conversions. So basically, for resolving, or what I can say, to simplify these tasks, Java has given you something called as auto boxing and auto unboxing. Now what do you mean by this? Let's talk about auto boxing first. The name itself says I want to box something implicitly, without forcefully, without explicitly writing the int value method or something. Okay, I will, without creating an object, basically. So in wrapper classes, what you do, basically first you create an object and then you wrap that thing inside, wrap that primitives inside that. And to extract it, you have to write the int value method or char value method and so on. I don't want to do that. What I will be doing, just I'm passing one primitive integer and going to store in integer class. That's simple, and that is being done by using your auto boxing. Similarly, so basically without any code, or like without explicitly uh, writing any code, I'm just going to do is I'm just providing some primitives into, yeah, in wrapper classes, and that is being done by using auto boxing. Similarly, from what I can say, object back to primitives without writing any code, that is nothing but auto unboxing. Just remember one thing, you are having primitive to object, okay, that is auto boxing. Similarly, you are having, let's say, object to primitive, that is auto unboxing, okay, without writing any explicit statements. So auto boxing and auto unboxing, first auto boxing, it's a process by which a primitive types is automatically encapsulated, that is nothing but boxed, into equivalent wrapper, okay, whenever an object of that type is needed, whenever I need such conversation to be done. There is no need to explicitly construct the object in that case. I don't have to write new integer or new character in this case. Auto unboxing, what is it? It is a process by which a value of an boxed object is automatically extracted from the type wrapper when its value will be needed, whenever the value is needed. So that is nothing but your unboxing, auto unboxing. So we are having some example of it. I'm having a class called as auto demo. I'm having main method over here. So we are going to see various versions of it. So basically here I'm having wrapper integer IOB, and here I'm having primitive 100. If you see, I'm directly storing this int value, int primitive value into integer wrapper. This is known as autobox. So autobox of integer. Then unboxing, unwrap. How you can do it? I have taken the object over here, wrapper over here, and I'm passing back, I'm storing back it, unwrapping it into primitive int. Okay, I. So this is auto unbox of integer. So when I print it, it will display me what? 100 and 100. Similarly, now what I have done here, this is the simple way which we have seen. Now how I can use it in methods, because in many algorithms we are having method calls. So how you can do it in methods? So I have created one method called as math. Let's check it out, what is math is doing. So I'm having static int. Int means it is going to return me what? Primitive integer. Name of the method is math. It is going to take what? Wrapper integer, that is v. So what it is going to do? It is taking wrapper integer and pass me primitive integer. Correct? So what is going to happen basically? Here what I'm doing, I'm passing over here 100. What is it? It is wrapper, or whether it is primitive? It is it is primitive. So this is primitive 100. It is passed. So automatically when it comes over here, it converts into wrapper. Fine. This is what? Auto box. Correct? Now what I'm going to do, I'm returning that wrap back to primitive, that is unboxing. So here auto unboxing happening. So v is going to be converted in integer, and same I'm going to store it in int. Okay, here also again what is happening? Yeah, it is boxing again. So there it has unboxed it, and again I'm here boxing it. Understood? So then I have print over here, then it will show me 100. So that is with a method, how auto boxing and auto unboxing happens. Then we are having expressions. Expressions means what? We are having a number of calculations. So in that we can have different data types, numeric data types to work with. Then how wrapping and auto boxing and auto unboxing happens over here. So here I'm having integer IOB, that is another object. Then the previous IOB value is being 100, assigned with the value 100, and then I have just printed it will show me 100. Then I have used increment operator. You know what is increment, post increment and pre-increment. We have seen that in operator chapter. So here it will add 1 to the object, and then it is just going to give me the incremented value. So here actually whenever you're working with the operator, you know that it always give a priority or work with the primitives. So basically if you see this IOB which is there, it is belongs to what? Wrapper integer, right? But whenever I'm incrementing over here, it is going to, yes, it is going to first convert that into primitives. Okay, and then it add the value, and again it will convert it back, that thing back to integer wrapper. Okay, so first unbox, then again box. So here basically first it takes your wrapper, unbox it, then do the increment, then again box it. So here this is nothing but happens internally, we don't have to write the code for it. Similarly here I am having some expression where the value of IOB is being added, then it is being divided by 3, and then I'm going to store the result into the primitive I. So I value, if you see here, it is int, that is it is a primitive. So what will happen basically, as it is here operators are there, so basically what will happen, first of all it will unbox it, it will do the calculations, and then again it will box it, and then here as I want it back to be in integer int primitives, then what will happen, it will unbox it. So here unboxing will happen, and then it will give me I after expression. So whatever value of this calculation is there, it will be given to me. Now I'm having different data types to be used. So what is it? Double. What is it? It is primitive or wrapper. Here it is a wrapper. Okay. And the value, if you see directly, I'm giving it. So what is it? It is auto boxing. Now what I'm going to do, I'm using this double and integer value addition, and I'm storing back that into the wrapper double. Okay, so that is can be done over here. Just it will first unbox it, do the calculation, and again box it, and then it will be showing DOB. Now Boolean, you know that how Boolean over here. Boolean is in this case it's a wrapper. Value given to it directly, that's why it is auto boxing of Boolean. And then I can directly use it in if statement. Now just remember one thing, if statement takes Boolean which is primitive, okay, but I'm passing what? Wrapper. So what it will do, it will automatically unbox it, work on that. Okay, so here whenever I'm passing B, first of all it is got unboxed into primitive, and then it is match in if statement, and then it has given me the value B is true. Similarly character. So character, here I'm having character ch, it's what? Wrapper or primitive? It is a wrapper. Okay, but as you're giving the value automatically, so that is boxing, auto boxing of character. Similarly you are taking back into primitives, so that is unboxing of character, and then you can able to print this both. Okay, so this is nothing but a various calculations, various method calling, and various ways to use a auto boxing and auto unboxing. I hope you understood this program. Just try it out with the different combinations. Okay, so basically if I summarize it, basically if I'm having, let's say, primitives and want to convert into the wrappers, then and that happens automatically in Java, that is auto boxing. Then if I'm having object wrapper basically, and I want that to be converted back into primitives, then I will go for auto unboxing. Okay, so do try out this program, do share our videos. Thank you.